Hey everybody! This video is going to go over another example of identifying the center and radius to graph a circle given its equation in standard form. And this one's slightly different because we do have it in standard form where we have it centered not at 0, 0. So remember, x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared is our equation for standard form. R squared in this case is 9. So r squared equals 9. Take the square root of both sides, which means r is going to equal 3. So our radius is 3. Now, what about the center? The center is at HK. Can we identify those with this? X minus h. Okay, so we have x minus 2. So that means h equals 2. What about this one? Y plus 4. Our equation is always y minus k. So how do I get a plus 4? Well, I get a plus by going y minus negative 4, right? So what is k? K equals negative 4. So where's my center? My center is at 2, negative 4. Now, let's go ahead and graph that. Okay, so with my center at 2, negative 4, I have a dot there, right? And then my radius is 3. So from my center, I'm going to go out 3 in all directions. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then draw my circle accordingly. And that is a different example of identifying the center and radius to graph a circle given its equation in standard form.